Hello, in this video I'll be showing you two methods on how you can redirect your pages to other pages. Okay, so sometimes you need to do this because let's say you have a web page which you suddenly want to remove it from the net, and of course if it has been for quite some time on the internet, some people might have bookmarked the page, so you don't want people to go to the page and then find that the page is actually not there, or there's an error, they get an error message. So to do this, to solve this problem, you can actually redirect the page. Okay, so there are two methods. The first method is actually quite straightforward. If you are using cPanel or any other web host, most web hosts on their control panel have a redirect feature. Okay, so this is the example. So this is my redirect feature. So I click on the redirect, and of course I will write which is the folder which I want the page to be redirected. If it's a folder, let's say test. If it's a folder, that means everything in the folder will be redirected. That means even if they type seriokashim.com/test slash then another HTML page, okay, they will also be redirected to the URL which we'll specify here. Okay, so you just put the web page, the URL that you wish to be redirected to, and then just choose the temporary. You don't need to choose the permanent, so that you can remove it. Then just click add, and it has been added. So whenever people go to this URL seriokashim/test, okay, they will be redirected to this marketing, to this marketingaudioSeminar.com. Okay, this is the first method. It's straightforward. Second method, let's say if your web host doesn't have the feature, so what to do? It's very simple. So on your page, not on the page, okay, you can just create a blank page. Okay, just open a blank page, go to the HTML code, and you include this meta tag, okay, the one that I highlight here. So I'll give some time so that you can remember the URL, the code, sorry. So this is the code that you insert to the page that you wish to be redirected. So this is the URL that you want it to be redirected. Of course, you don't use, you can use whatever URL that you wish to be redirected. So you change it here on the place where I bold it. Okay, this code actually allows you to redirect on the spot. That means immediate redirect. That is why it has a 0 here. If you want the page to take 5 seconds to redirect, for example, that means people go to the page and then you'll wait for 5 seconds, then they will be redirected. But if you put 0 here, then it will be redirected almost immediately. It's always instantly. Okay, so people will not know that actually the page has been not there anymore. Besides this, you can also actually write anything you want here. For example, okay, for example, you want people to see this message, then of course you can write it here. And if you want people to read this message, then you have to change it to, let's say, 5 or 10 seconds here. Can be 5 or 10 seconds, so that they will have 5 seconds to read the message before it will be redirected. So of course it depends on your needs. Some people want their visitors to know that actually the page doesn't exist and they are being redirected, but others who do not necessarily need to show that to the visitors, then they'll just put 0 and it will be redirected instantly. And so once you have created this page, you save it as index.html or index.html or home.html or home.html, put it on the folder, and then when people go to this folder, they will be redirected. Or if it's a page, HTML page, a normal one, not a folder, Okay, then just create the name of the page here, not index. It can be anything, test.html or what. Then you just include the code, the meta tag code here. Okay, and then you change it to whatever you want, to your own needs, and then upload it to your web server, and then your page will be redirected. So it's quite easy and straightforward. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you again in other video series. Goodbye.